Hi everyone. Hi students and parents who all are preparing for upcoming NEET 2023 NEET 2024 examinations. I would like to inform you that the Medical Education Survey report has been out on 15th of January 2023, and according to the report and as per as well as the students choice, they have rated top 5 NEET coaching centers in Bangalore and as well as in Karnataka. So I would like to name all these 5 so that it will help you to choose the best according to your comfort level. So the number one position has been given to GATE Indian Institute of Tutorials JP Nagar Bangalore for the best results in NEET 2015 to 2022, and as well as with the highest quality of classes, with the excellent teachers training quality, longest number of hours, test preparations which has been given a very good results, and as well as the best study material. The second position has been given to Akash Institute, who has also generated good results with good students' ranks with the best test practices. The third position has been given to Allen Institute. Allen Institute is originally from Kota and they have also given good results in 2021 and 22 with the good ranks and as well as good study material and test practices. The fourth institute they has been rated to Base Institute, who has also given a very good results with very good test practices of NEET and as well as very good teachers quality. The fifth and last position they have given to Vision Academy, who has also given a very good results for NEET examination, and they have given lots of students a very good quality of classes with the excellent number of teachers. I hope this is the list of 2023 which is recently generated, and this will definitely help you to find out and to select one of the best as per your choice, and wish you best of luck for your career. Wish you best of luck for upcoming NEET examination. Take care. Bye bye.